How to back up data in Telegram. First thing you have to do is you open up your Telegram app, and once you land on the Telegram app, what you need to do next is tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Once you have done that, just tap on the settings icon right below saved messages. And once you land on the settings page, what you need to do is head over next to data and storage. Here you'll be able to see different options like your storage uses and your data uses. Now here you can turn on this option where it says automatic media download. It will automatically download the media and will be backed up automatically. So make sure it's set to when connected to Wi-Fi or when connected to mobile data as well according to your preference. And then from here you can turn on the save to gallery options as well. And after doing this, Telegram will automatically back up all of your data. And then you should be able to log into any of the devices with the same account and all of your chats will be there. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.